तो चलिए हम आपको योगा करने से पहले कुछ ज़रूरी लाभकारी बातें बताते हैं। योगा आप कभी भी परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं, इसके लिए कोई समय विशिष्ट नहीं है। योगा हमेशा खाली पेट करना अत्यंत लाभकारी माना जाता है। योगा हम खाना खाने के 2 घंटे के अंतराल के बाद कभी भी कर सकते हैं। और जब भी आप योगा परफॉर्म करें, आप सुविधाजनक वस्त्र धारण करें, जिससे आपको योगा करने में आसानी हो, और एक शांत वातावरण का चुनाव करें, जिससे आप अपनी बॉडी पर ध्यान लगा पाए। सो व्हाट वी आर वेटिंग फॉर, लेट्स डू इट।
Start.
First we will perform Ardha Shalabh Asana, that is also known as half locust pose. In this asana, we have to lie down in pronation position. Our chin touches the ground. Our hands should be kept underneath your thigh or towards your groin area. Then slightly lift one leg by inhalation. Hold it for some time. Then along with exhalation, lift your leg down. This procedure repeat for other leg also. And after performing this, you can lift your both legs together. The benefits of this Ardha Shalabh Asana is it strengthens your lower back and your pelvic region. It helps in reproductive organs maintaining. It helps in treating various diseases like hypertension, sciatica, slip disc. So we are performing Ardha Shalabh Asana. First we have to lie down. Now both legs together. Relax. Now we will perform Bhujangasana. For Bhujangasana, lie down in pronation position. Put your hands under your shoulder. Lift your trunk and your head. Your buttocks remains at same position. Slightly come down. Chin touches the ground. Hand should be relaxed. Bhujangasana. Benefits of Bhujangasana. It is helpful in treatment of asthma, hypertension. It gives strength to your shoulder muscles and your chest muscles. It also stretches your abdomen area. So who want to make good abs or good core strength, they can perform Bhujangasana. The person is suffering from slip disc or peptic ulcers or intestinal tuberculosis should avoid these asanas. This asana can be performed in the supervision of yoga expert or a guide. Now we will perform Makarasana, that is crocodile pose. For crocodile pose, you have to lie down in pronation position. Hands come forward. Slightly lift your head. Put your hands on your face, below your face. Hold this position. Slightly adjust your shoulder and hand to keep comfortable. Now by inhalation, lift your one leg. By exhalation, take it to the initial position. Now other leg. You can do it with both legs together. You can hold this position for some time. It gives strength to your leg, thigh, calf. It also increases the strength of your growing area. It is good for your digestion. It helps in treating from constipation and other gastric disorders. Relax. Remove your hands from your chin. Relax. So we perform Makarasana, Ardha Shalabhasana and Bhujangasana. These all three asanas are very easy. You can perform at home. But if you are suffering from certain severe diseases, so please consult with your yoga expert or your guide. Thank you.